Right, just got this new car, it's a Peugeot 306. Thought I'd just show you how to change the air filter quickly. It's a quick video. Just show you quickly how to do it. Basically, what you got is 4 hex bolts around the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not sure what size they are. They seem to differ. What from one to the other, because it's quite an old car, so make sure you got a complete set before you do it. Might be something different, might be clips or might be various other things, but make ssure you're aware of it before you take it off, that you've got the right tools for it. Jubilee clip there, you've got one there, but don't think you need to take it off. 10mm bolt there, penetrating fluid to take that off. You've got a PCV pipe on here, which comes off by pressing in the 2 clips here. These are fuel pipe clip tool. So basically what you do is push the 2 yellow bits in there like that, it comes off. It's quite easy, just make sure, because these things are quite brittle. Basically you undo all that, pull it out from the throttle housing and just move that out of the way. Be careful, because these intake pipes are quite brittle. So basically what you got, this is the part number using a man filter, like for like. Make sure your parts are correct before you put it in, which is mine. So make sure to take that out. That just comes out. It's quite dirty, quite a bit of oil in there as well. Get all the crap out, give it a wipe out, get a cloth or a hoover or whatever, put the new one in, and then just do it up. Basically clips to line up, everything to line up. This is where it could get a bit. Right, it's been changed for a while. Goes in like that, so you got your hex screws, and then just screw it in to line up. It's quite simple, might be worth doing the first 2 first. It's quite an old car, it's a 20-year-old Peugeot 306 1.4. Got a few other problems with it as well. Got the exhaust, rear exhaust pipe needs silencer needs doing. That's it. Make sure this goes in first. Got a Jubilee clip there. Make sure your 10mm bolt lines up. Make sure everything else is in place. I've got one of these Jubilee clip drivers. Easy enough. All this stuff you can get off eBay. If you want a link in the description, then give me a shout. But all this stuff's readily available. This one's Draper. This is from Sealy fuel pipe release clips, pliers. That's all you need for this job. And then just put that one back in. You've got a 10mm bolt. That goes in there, penetrating fluid before you release it. Nice and snug, don't over tighten it, because these older parts are really getting difficult to get hold of. That's it, make sure everything's done up tightly. And then just finish off the rest of your clips, and that'll be it. But like I say, I've seen these come with different ones. They've got hex bolts, Torx bolts, just normal clips. I think all the different models have tried, Peugeot have tried different types, but this seems to work okay. And that's took me how long? It's took me about 15 minutes to do, if that. Nice job, clean it all up. Job's good, and hopefully this helps you for you Peugeot fans. I think they're quite similar on different models as well. Give us a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You find lots of other stuff on there. This is my son's car, so I'm going to be this is his Fiat Punto replacement, so we've got a problem with the fuel pump, so I'm going to be looking at diagnosing that as well. So thanks for watching.